So let us see this one. You use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. So go to the solution. So it is let a be any positive integer. And what is b? We have taken in the last class we discussed about b.
3, sir.
3, sir.
We cubed it.
Then by Euclid's algorithm,
A equal to
division lemma, a equal to
BQ plus R, sir.
3Q
There
plus
R,
R.
3. So
sir, R is equal to 0 or less than 3.
0 less than equal to r less than 3.
3, sir.
That means r value we have to take 0, 1, 2.
2, sir.
So let us take the first case. So in the first case, if r equal to 0, what will get r equal to 0?
Sir,
So
A
A is equal to 3Q plus
3Q.
0.
Plus 0. The cube of any positive integer. So cubing on both sides.
A cube equal to
A cube equal to
3Q whole cube, sir.
3
3Q whole cube.
So that the result is a cube. We can write as
23.
27.
27 cube, sir.
So the result is 9 times of 3 cube.
3 cubes.
Therefore, a cube is 9m,
9 m's.
where m equal
M
to
equal
3
to
cube,
3Q cube.
a positive integer. Similarly, go to the next two cases. So the next one is if r equal to 1. So what will get it? R equal to 1.
so A is equal to 3Q plus 1.
3Q plus
R equal
1.
to 1. Then we get a equal to 3 cube.
3Q plus
So we need cube of any number. So cubing on both sides. A cube equal to 3q plus
3
1 whole cube.
whole cubes.
So use a plus b whole cube formula.
Identity.
So a plus b whole cube. So a cube. So 3q whole cube plus 3a square. 3q whole square into b plus 3ab square. A is 3q into b is 1 square plus b cube is 1 cube. So here it is a cube.
27
So this is 27 q cube
Q cubes.
plus this is 3 square 9 3 is there
So 27Q square.
plus 3 is 9 q plus 1. So from these three we can take common.
9, sir.
9.
9m or 9m plus.
9.
So 9 take common. If you take 9 common, this is 3q cube,
3Q
3Q
cubes.
cube.
3q
3
square.
cube square plus 1 cube.
On
So
9
cube.
we have taken 1 cube. Till this I think so
Plus-
we have completed. Plus 1.
Yes, sir.
So this is 9m plus 1 where
So M equal to
m equal to 3q cube
3Q
plus
cube.
3q square plus
3 cubes.
q
Cubes.
is a positive integer. That's it. Similarly, the same formula can be used and we can proceed for the next case. R equal to 2. If R equal to 2, then A is
3Q plus 2, sir.
BQ plus 2.
Whole cubes.
on both sides. A cube plus, sorry,
3.
A cube equal to
3q plus 2 whole cube.
whole cube. Again use the same formula.
Whole.
3q whole cube plus 3a square. 3q square into b plus 3ab square. 3 times of 3q into b square is 2 square plus 2q. That is
27q.
plus this is 9
54q square, sir.
4q square.
So 12, sir. So nine-
So 54
Yes, sir.
54
54q
q square plus
plus 36q.
490
36q sir,
36
plus 8.
plus 8. So from these three, we take common as 9. 9, 3q cube plus 6q square plus 9 4q's plus 8 remains
Plus
same.
8.
So this is 9m plus 8, where m equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q is a positive integer. That's it. So any positive cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. So you write the
Yes, sir.
conclusion and hence we can hence prove. That's it. Can you write or shall I write it? Okay, therefore cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. That. Okay, ma, we'll see that.
Sir, it can be expressed as the product of primes, sir.
Yes, it can be expressed as the product of primes. So still it is given. This factorization is unique and apart from the order in which the
Sir, and it cannot be changed, sir. It's a particular and it's a unique thing, sir, which cannot be changed.
yes, ma, I
Or
understood
numbers.
what you said. Let us see that.
Yes, sir.
Theorem of arithmetic. Now tell me, ma. Every composite number. So first let us recall composite number can be expressed or factorized as the product of primes. And this factorization is unique. Unique in the sense it's possible only in one way, apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. So order is immaterial. The product of prime factors order is immaterial, but we could express in only one way. What it is, we'll discuss it. So what is composite number? Can you
Sir,
tell me
it's
what
a,
is composite number?
so the factors are more than itself, sir.
More than
One and itself. One
So
and
the
itself.
other than one table and its table, it can come in all other
yes,
tables. also.
yes. If a number consists of two factors, one and itself, it is a prime number. If it is more than two factors, then it is called a composite number. A number which has more than two factors. Or at least three factors is called a composite number. Can you give the example for the composite number?
So 4,
The 4,
6,
8,
4 we
8,
can
8,
express 2 times of 2. And the factors of 4 are,
1 times of 4.
what are those, ma'am?
1,
1,
1,
sir.
2 and
1,
4.
2.
4. So it has
Yes, sir.
more than 2 factors, so that it is composite number. 6, 2 times of 3. So factors of 6 are 1, 2.
Sir, 1, 2, 3.
2, 3, 6, sir.
It is also having more than 2 factors, so it is also composite number. Let us take 12. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. So factors of 12 are 1,
1,
2, 3,
2, 3,
2,
4.
3, 12.
4, sir.
6
right?
and 12.
4, 6,
4 is
12, sir.
composite. It is prime factorization, no? But the factors are 4 and 4, 6 and 12.
6, 12.
Next, 24. You can take any values. Now suppose 18, 3 times of 3 times of 2. But factors are different. This is prime factorization, the first one. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So based on the definition of a composite number, 4, 6, 12, 18 are composite numbers. Now express them. So here every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. So 2 and 2 are prime numbers only. 2, 3 prime numbers. 2 and 3 prime numbers. So did we express it or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. So the first condition is satisfied. And this factorization is unique. So 18, how can we write 18 now? Either 3 times of 3 times of 2 or 2 times of 3 times of 3 or 3 times of 2 times of 3. So we can change this. But so here, what are the prime numbers are involved in that?
2 and 3, sir.
Sir, 2,
2
3,
and
sir.
3 only. That's the meaning of the second condition. And this factorization is unique. So there are 2 3s and 1 2. Only involved in all
Yes.
the 3 cases. So there is no doubt it is possible in only one way. But apart from the third condition, apart from the order in which the prime factor occur. So apart from the order, in the sense order is immaterial. We need not write 3 times of 3 times of 2 only. We can write 2 times of 3 times of 3.
So
Or
the
3.
patterns may change, sir.
Yes, ma'am. The order can be changed. That's the meaning of the third condition.
So, but the prime numbers are unique, sir.
Now, number of prime numbers involved in that are unique.
Okay, sir.
Let us take the. So the first question is 140. How we can write 140? So there are two methods. This method is familiar. So let us see this first. 270s, 235s,
5
7
tables.
times. So all are prime numbers. That's it. So we need not proceed further. Then this can be expressed as 2 times of 2 times of 5 times of 7. This also can be expressed as the exponents form 2 into 2. It's 2 square, 5 power 1 and 7 power 1. Anyone can be expressed when it is asked. Express each number as a product of its prime factors. But when you write in the second format, it would help us to find the HCF and LCM of the given numbers using the prime factors easily. Right?
Yes, sir.
And the other method is 140 also expressed as 270s, 2 times of 70 we can write as 235s. Till get the prime factors, we have to proceed. 2 times of 2 is common. So 35 can be expressed as 5 times of 7. That's it. But in these two ways, you got the same result.
Yes.
The
Yes.
method only different. Expressing the way of expressing the prime factors are different. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
HCF is product of the smallest powers of each common factor. So when it is highest, you can keep it in mind small powers, smallest power of each common prime factor. This is important. Common prime factors in the numbers. So what it is, we'll take the example. Before that, we'll see the LCM also. So here LCM, if it is least, we should keep it in mind it is greatest powers. Product of the greatest power of each prime factor involved in the number. Here a common prime factor is given in HCF. Here it is given each prime factor involved in the numbers. So if you take the example, you can easily understand the difference between these two. So 336. Find the factors, prime factors. 2 ones, then 2 6 jar, isn't it, ma? 2
Yes, sir. 6 or 8.
Yes, sir.
8s and 4s. 2
42,
2 21.
21, sir.
21,
3
3
table
7.
7.
Prime numbers
7
are,
times.
so 336 can be expressed as 2 is multiplied 4 times. So write in the powers 2 power 4 into 3
3
power
power
3
1
into 7.
into 7
into
power
3
1.
power 1, sir.
And the next, find the prime factors for 54. What you'll get? 2 27s,
3 table 9, sir.
3 9,
3
sir.
9.
3 tables
And again
3
3
table
3.
3.
that's it.
3,
So
sir.
3 power 3 into 2.
1 into 3 cube. Now to get the LCM or HCF, first let us find HCF of 336 and 54. As per the definition of HCF, product of the small powers of each common factor.
So 6.
First we have to find the common factors, common base. 2 is common base. In that, the smallest power. What's the smallest power out of these two?
1, sir.
So 1.
So we should write 2 power 1 times of. Still we have to find is there any common basis or not. Common prime factors. 3 is also 1.
So 3.
So 3, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So in that, the least power we have to select.
So 1.
Again,
1 for 1, sir.
so we have to write 3 power 1. That's
3
it.
power
1.
1.
Is 2.
6, sir.
3 power 1 is 3. So 2 3s are 6. So this is HCF of these two numbers. Now find LCM. LCM of 336 and 54. So here it is. Product of the greatest powers of each prime factors. So see this one. Each primes in the sense first common basis find it, 2. In that highest power we have to take greatest power. So 2 power 4 into
Sir, 2 power 4,
the
sir.
next common factors.
3 power 3.
3
power
power
3 power 3, sir.
into the remaining all the values with the same powers we have to take. There is a reason why into 7 power 0 we can write same basis and the power is 1 is highest, that can be taken. This is actual procedure. Other than that, you can remember that after finding the highest powers of the common prime factors, you can multiply the other factors with the same factors. Do you understand it? That's it.
Yes, sir.
Multiply
Yes.
and the result. This is 16 times of 27 times of 7. What you'll get the result? Tell me that. So 3024 is LCM of these two numbers. Now find the product of these two. We are finding the relation LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers or not. So find the product of these